Welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Ankita K. Second semester, section Honda, subject Applied Physics for Triple stream. Today I want to discuss the topic wave function and its properties. What is wave? So in the quantum physics, a wave function is a mathematical description of the quantum state of a particle as the function of the momentum, time, position and spin. The symbol used for wave function is a Greek letter called psi. By using wave function, the probability of finding an electron within the matter wave can be explained. This can be obtained by including an imaginary number is the square to get the real number solution resulting in the position of an electron. In the given figure, we are observing that A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H in the comparison of the classical and the quantum harmonic oscillators that for a single spinless particle the two processes are differ greatly. The classical process from A minus B is represented as the motion of the particles along the trajectory. The quantum process C minus H has no such trajectory. Rather, it is represented as the wave. Here the vertical axis shows the real part blue and the imaginary part red of the wave function. Panels C minus F shows four different standing solutions of a quadratic equations. Panel G minus H further shows two different functions or the solutions. How to represent the wave associated with a moving particle body? Where can be observing the plane progressive wave represent a de Broglie wave associated with a moving particles time versus sine omega t is moving from 0 to 0.5, then rising on 0.5 and again 0.5 between minus 0.2 to 0.5. Then the properties of wave function are all the measurable informations about the particle is a valuable where psi should be continuous and single value. Using quadratic equations, the energy calculations become easy. Probability distribution in 3 dimensions is established using the wave function. The probability of finding the particle if it exists 1. These are the properties of wave function. Then we can see that psi square dx is equals to 1 where psi contains all the informations about the particles. Must be a solution of quadratic equations, must be a continuous function x. The slope of further the slope of function in the x must be continuous. Specify that. Then the properties of wave function, we can see the pictures 3 where the fundamental or the first harmonic one, first overtone or second harmonic, second overtone or third harmonic. So F1, F2 is equals to 2, F1, F3 is equals to 3, F1. We can observe the 3 pictures where the wave is how it will be moving and the directions is where L is given like a in the first harmonic L is equals 1 by lambda 1, lambda 2 and 3 by 2 lambda 3. So the wave can be represented as the wave function can be represented as the symmetry of the system. For example, if the system is symmetric, around it will be 0. X is equals to minus x. Then the wave function is either symmetric or anti-symmetric around a 0. So psi into minus x is equals psi of x is equals to p of x is equals to p of minus x. Then psi minus x is equals to minus psi into x. P of x is equals to p of minus x. This is the wave function properties. There are three properties of wave functions. Thank you.